in this video, we are going to look at how you can text or detect AI in a text and how you can humanize your text to prevent the consequences of being rejected or being given, let's say, fewer mark for your thesis or let's say an assignment. Stay with me to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can be able to receive every update from this channel. So before you do, don't forget to like the video and comment after watching and share to whomever it may concern that you can keep improving each and every second. Now let's see how you can first detect AI in a text and maybe how you can also humanize them. So to do so, let's first log in into our Google browser. So I'm going to use the Microsoft Edge. You can use Microsoft Edge, or you can use any Google browser to search for. So let's first open this Quillbot. So the Quillbot is the first website which is going to offer you very opportunities for you to be able to humanize your text and also check grammar and also maybe paragraph or paraphrase your text to prevent plagiarism. But this software comes with charges, so normally it's not free. The only free aspect of this website or this app or software is the AI detection part and the paraphrasing part. But if you want to use the humanizer, it comes with a cost. So I want us to use just the AI detection part of it and see the present or observe the presence of AI in our text. So let's first generate a text using two AI generation tools. Like let's first use ChatGPT, which is the commonest of all. I'm also going to introduce this new AI website called DeepSeek. So DeepSeek 2 is the commonest AI software which can be used to maybe do assignment or whatever. So maybe you can just try that one too in the course of your studies. So I'm going to use these two softwares to generate a text. So I'm going to use DeepSeek and ChatGPT. These are the commonest ones which I use. So let me first command, let's say, DeepSeek to, let's say, write. So I'm going to this command is to write 150 words. So 150 words essay on digestion. So let's have this. I'm going to copy the same thing to ChatGPT and have two texts from different AI websites. So I'm going to use Chat to generate this text and also use DeepSeek to generate also this particular text. So let's wait for the generation. So I've had Chat give me two different responses for the my command. So I'm going to copy any of them to check for the presence of AI in all of them. So if I want to check the AI in this, I'm going to use the Quillbot. So the Quillbot is the most commonest one which is used to check the presence of AI in a text. You can also use what you call a GPT-0. A GPT-0, which is also the commonest, which is also used by most people, but I prefer the use of the Quillbot. So I'm going to copy this. So let me copy the text from the ChatGPT and send it to the Quillbots. So I'm going to go to the AI detector. Let me select the AI detector. Yeah. Let me go to the AI detector. Let me see the DeepSeek. It has also launched. So there is the AI detector for the Quillbot. I will paste my essay there and command it to detect AI in my essay. So that is it for the Quillbot. I'll wait for some few minutes for the result for the AI detection by the Quillbot. Here the AI or the Quillbot says that my text contains 100% AI, or is just 100% generated by AI. That is the response of the Quillbot from ChatGPT. Let me send the response from also the DeepSeek. So this is the DeepSeek response for my command. Let me send the DeepSeek response to also the Quillbot and detect the presence of AI in my text. So that is it. Let me also detect AI in my text. So I wait for some few minutes for it. So this one also says that this one is 100% AI generated. So that means that I have AI present in both the text of what the Quillbot, the ChatGPT and that of the DeepSeek software. So I'm going to see, this is the first way or the first aspect of this video, how you can just detect the AI in a text. The commonest of all is just use the Quillbot, which is just the easiest. You can equally use the GPT-0 which is also the common that most people use, though sometimes that one comes with a lot of a lot of stress. Maybe you have to create an account, you have registration and things, but this one is very easy to use. Now let's see how you can remove this in the AI in this text. So this text you see is an AI generated text from both the Quillbot, from both the DeepSeek and the ChatGPT. So one other way which can be used, which is very easy to use, is that you can just copy this same text which you have copied from the ChatGPT and DeepSeek into the Quillbot paraphraser. So you can come here and paste the same text here to the paraphrase to paraphrase it. This one may be able to reduce the AI content a bit, but not that much. So here the paraphraser of the Quillbot will be able to maybe paraphrase it in a way that may sound more like human, but it is not the most effective one. I only prescribe this if you just want to maybe bring down your AI content a bit. But if you want to remove the whole AI content, then we are going to use different websites. So instead of the paraphraser of the Quillbot, we are going to use this website. We call it the Stealth Writers AI. So the Stealth Writers Humanizer. This website is what we are going to use to humanize our text from both the ChatGPT and that of the DeepSeek. So let's search for the Stealth Writer Humanizer AI, which is so this is the Stealth Writer Humanizers AI. So from there you have a humanized AI content. So you just click on the first option from the Google results. Now we have this interface of the Humanize AI generated contents, or the Stealth Writers Humanizer. The first thing to do is you have to first create an account for this particular website. So create an account. Don't just put it here, create an account first. So we are going to come here as what? Login. So when you come to login, you have what is here. The reason why you're able to create an account is it gives you interface for other services offered by the website. So I have an account already. So this is my account. But if you don't have an account, first come here and click on sign up. Maybe enter your email and paste your password. Then usually create an account for this particular website. If you have a Google which is already installed on your system, you can also log in with the Google account to also open or create a new account. So I have it. Normally when you enter, they ask you to wait for the verification. When it's being verified, like how my own has shown here as success, then you click on login. So when you click on login, you expect to open to a Stealth Writer Humanizer AI interface. Now this is the interface of the website. We have here the dashboard. We have, if you want to read more about the website, you can go to dashboard and we can have the humanizer. Here's what we are going to use for our video. We have the AI detector. So aside the Quillbot, which is being used to detect AI, we can equally use this website to detect the AI present in our text. So, but we are going to use what you call the humanizer. So since I have the account, I'm going to click on the humanizer and have the interface for the humanizer. So that is that. So you just close this one down and have the interface for the AI humanizer. So this is the humanizer that we are going to use for our text. So we are going to copy the text from both the ChatGPT and that of the DeepSeek to detect or to humanize it and detect their AI content each in this video. So let's first start with the result of the ChatGPT. So this is the result for the ChatGPT. So let's copy the text once again. This one has been detected to contain AI, and let's send it to the Stealth Writer Humanizers AI. Now let's come to paste. Now when you paste, you have here as well, you have just, this content is just 148 words. So when you come here, then you click on humanize. After pasting in the interface, you click on the humanize. Then you wait for it. Sometimes if the text is bulky, it may take some time. So when the humanizing is done, you scroll down, you're going to see that the text has been regenerated and has written what? Human written. So this one is 100% human written and what is 0% AI generated. So from this website, maybe you can choose to confirm whether there has been a reduction. You can just check the AI content using the same interface, using the AI detector aspect or the portion of the Stealth Writers Humanizer. Or better still, since we used Quillbot initially, we are going to copy this same text to Quillbot, because Quillbot told us that this one contains what, 100% AI. So let's send it to Quillbot and see if there has been possible reduction in the AI content. So let's come to the AI detector of the Quillbot. So we have this is the result for the Quillbot for the first one. Now let's delete it and paste our result from the state writers humanizer and detect AI and see if there has been a possible reduction in terms of what the AI. So here we have here that what the result or this text is now 0% likely generated by what AI. So first this test was what generated by AI 100%, and now it has been reduced to what 0%. Let's also copy the same thing from the DeepSeek, the one we checked and they said it's 100 again. Let's copy that of DeepSeek and send it also to the state writers humanizer and also detect the AI. So let's delete what is there already, the one from the ChatGPT, and paste that from the DeepSeek, which Quillbot said is also 100%, and also Humanize again and check the AI content of that. So that is it, we have done. Let's come and copy the text. This is the new generated text, which is what the human written one, and send it once again to the Quillbot. So this is the one from the ChatGPT. Let's delete it and put the one from the DeepSeek and say detect the AI and see if there has been a possible reduction. So that is it. So that is it for the Quillbot. This one also say that what there's a reduction from 100% from the DeepSeek to also what 0%. So that is an effective software which can be used to detect AI or humanize AI from your content, in case you want to prevent being caught by, let's say, your lecturer supervisor for, let's say, a thesis, maybe project or assignment. That is one of the most difficult aspect of studies currently. So that is very great for this video. You can equally use the AI detector of the Quillbot, of the state writer, to detect what you have done. So you can try that at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watching, so that you'll be able to like or, let's say, access this video or access any video on this channel when you drop them. Thanks you.